Hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. So doing some construction work at home, like putting a nail on your wall or hanging a photo frame, it's really a tedious job without proper tools. So today we are going to check a toolkit that will make your job simpler. It's the Bosch GSB 500W RE toolkit that is available in Amazon. You can find the links in the description below so that you can buy it from Amazon. It's really helpful and I'm using it for last 1 year. It has really helped me to do lot of things at my home without calling an external person to do it. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button below and hit the notification icon and subscribe button so that you can watch more videos like this in future. So let's begin with the toolkit now. So let me now show you what and all comes in the toolkit and what and all are its uses. So this is how the box looks like. So you can see it's really built good and it's made of solid plastic and there is Bosch written at the top. So there are two latches that open so that you can open the toolkit, and these are the tools available. So there are a lot of tools coming in a single box. So it's really convenient and you won't lose anything. So let me tell you first what and all are available in the box. So we have the drill machine as itself. It's really sturdy and it weighs 1.5 kilograms and this is an excellent drill machine. In my personal experience, it is able to do all the basic tasks that we need to do at our home. It can drill up to a metal or a wood or a concrete floor really easily. So at the top we have the knife itself. So this can be used to cut wires or cut pipes. It's really sharp and it's really solid. And then we have some screw adjustments, like you can add this screw adjustments to depending on the screw you want to fix on the wall or a wood to the drill machine, and you can tighten it really easily. Then we have some set of screws and some plugs. So you can use it to drill a hole in the wall and insert a nail into it so that you can hang a picture in the wall. I have also fixed wall shelves using this and it was really easy and simple. I will be telling more details about the drill machine and its features in later on this video. So we have some drill bits here. So there are 3 different set of drill bits. So the first set is for wood and it is of dark color, like it's nearly black, and then it is for concrete. It is of silver color, and then the set is for metal. It is comparatively thinner, but it is really strong. So it is titanium coated and it is really sturdy. Then we have the hammer itself. The hammer is of really good quality iron. Then we have the plier. So this plier can be used to tighten screws or cut wires as well. It's really handy tool. Then we have the wrench itself. So wrench is adjustable. So you can increase the width of the wrench and decrease the width depending on the screw size that you want to tighten. Then we have some additional screw bits. So if you want to add more screw bits to the drill, and drill can be used to tighten the screws, you can use these things. And then we have the alignment marker. So if you want to drill holes in a horizontal or vertical direction in an aligned way, you can use this tool. It's really handy. And now let's talk about the drill itself. So drill weighs around 1.5 kilograms and it is having 2 modes, that is, one is concrete mode and one is normal mode. And concrete mode means it gives more power and an up and down motion for the drill section. So it is having a tool to loosen and tighten the drill section. So you can insert it and loosen it. Now let me tell you the specifications of the drill itself. So its input power is 500 volts and power output is 250 watts and weight is 1.5 kilograms. So if there is no load or you are not drilling anything, the speed is 2600 rpm in the max, and maximum capacity for wood is 20 mm and maximum capacity for metal is 8 mm and maximum capacity for concrete is 10 mm, and impact rate is 41600 bpm. So let me now give a physical overview of the drill itself. So there is a button to rotate in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, we can press this from here and it starts rotating in two different directions, and there is a start and stop button, and there is a lock button here, so you can lock the drill if you are having hand pain. So it's really convenient. This drill is made of excellent quality material and the wire is really long, so you can easily drill anywhere with a lengthy connection. Another thing that comes in the box is the tape. This tape you can use for measurement, and it is of really long length. It comes around 5 meters, so you can measure it really easily. So this drill machine set comes really handy if you want to do a work at home. I have provided the links in description below, so that you can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. So click on the link and you can go to Amazon or Flipkart and buy it. I bought it from Amazon for rupees 3000 while a sale. You can buy it from Amazon now for around 3500 rupees. So this is the best drill set you can get in Amazon, and it is Amazon's choice as well. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching and bye bye now.